What if you could click a button, view a video, and get $5 in return? What if the only way to gain $1 more was to like or comment on a video? What if you could perform all of these simple tasks on your smartphone and routinely spend a few minutes each day earning money online? I'll walk you through each step of setting up a completely free global account on this brand new website that nobody else is talking about. I'll offer you a bonus and a special gift that will allow you to make an extra $50 every day without doing any work if you stick with me to the end. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let's now begin the video. Pay close attention since this will be a brand new website about which no one else is discussing. I want you to have a look because you can see that there are 5 various ways to make money on this website. As you browse different websites, you can first watch various movies and adverts. Second, you can agree to a social media engagement, which states that all you have to do to get paid is like and share videos. So, for example, by watching this brief film for a short while, you can make money. By hitting the like button and joining the channel, you can also show your support for the video and earn some extra cash. You may keep making money with a particular website by leaving a comment below, which is the third step. We can do some quick surveys as we advance to the fourth. The examples I'll offer you shortly are all extremely basic and suitable for new novices. Finally, you can open a fresh, straightforward account, register for free, and receive bonus money. As you can see, this is the homepage and you may access it from any device. Your phone, computer, or tablet may all be used to start making money online. And it is accessible from anywhere in the world. You don't need to invest since, as you can see, no investment is needed. This is the way it works. Step 1 for the process involves selecting a source of revenue. Given the variety of ways to make money on this website, you can choose from any one of these 5 tactics. You can start carrying out the directives, completing the assignments, and making money in step 2. They will send you the third step payment each time you reach a certain threshold. You can now get paid every day within 24 hours using this platform. To establish a free account right away, all you have to do is click the sign up icon above. By doing so, you'll be directed to this page where you may create an account and start earning money. To access your brand new account, simply enter your email address and password and click the next button. On your dashboard, you can see your estimated earnings. Since this is your first account and you haven't yet finished any jobs, you won't see any money right now. But don't worry, as you start making money, they will show up on your dashboard. The first thing you should do is to validate your email address. You will receive a verification email from this company. Make sure to check your inbox. As soon as you click to activate your account, you can start making money. The Earn button is placed on the left. Click it now, please. You can choose from a number of ways to start producing money when you click that button, which will take you to this website. The 5 techniques I already demonstrated are visible. The first method, which involves watching films, websites, and advertisements, will be shown to you now. All that is left for you to do is click on this green button to start making money. That will take you here, where you can start viewing different advertising and start making money. When you click on the Earn button, a new window will appear. As you can see, you have till the timer expires to look through this page. Simply navigate this website. Don't stay on any one page. Simply move it around to demonstrate that you are a genuine human and not a robot. After the countdown period is up, they will deposit the funds into your account. As a result, they will mention your earnings and website's name here. Simply click the pause button to stop the advertisement. Similar to that, all you need to do to end this advertisement is click the close button. You will stop the advertisement by doing that, wasting your time and keeping money out of your pocket. Watch the entire video or stay on the website until the timer expires to avoid making that mistake. Let me provide you with another example. Again, periodically, when you click the Earn button, you'll be taken to a random YouTube video. Consider this one for example. Simply click play to start watching the video. Make sure to keep watching until the timer expires. This is crucial because if you pause the video before the allotted amount of time has passed, you won't be paid. Consider the second example, leave engagement in social media, where all you have to do to access a website where you may leave numerous engagements in various social media platforms is click the Earn button, like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. As you can see, there are a ton of opportunities and jobs you can take on to make money online. As an illustration, consider YouTube, where you may watch videos, subscribe to different channels, and like numerous videos. On Facebook and Instagram, you can like and follow other users. They are so basic that anyone may do them without any prior knowledge. By merely clicking a few buttons to watch movies and leave comments, you can make money continuously. Let's just suppose pressing the YouTube views button will take me to a random YouTube video where I can press the play button to begin watching it. You can click on the gear settings to lower the video quality to 144 to watch the video more quickly and save bandwidth on your internet connection. Therefore, be careful to click the like or share buttons if you want to earn more cash, because doing so will display a YouTube URL link. Simply click the copy button to share it on other social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, email, or any other platform. You can make more money if you cancel such engagements. Simply put, there are a ton of various ways to make money. You'll get paid for things like leaving comments and straightforward reviews, finishing surveys and creating straightforward accounts, and subscribing to other people's newsletters. Let's suppose for the time being that selecting the complete various surveys option will bring me to this website. As you can see, there are straightforward surveys you can take on Google Forms, Pollfish, and SurveyMonkey to earn between $2 and $5 for each service. That can be done in your leisure time because it is so easy and straightforward. Its domain name is Zareclamy. You can either download the app to your phone or visit this website at zareclamy.com. If you go to Google Play Store and search for the logo that looks like this, you may download the Zareclamy Make Money Online for Free app and start making money. Let me use Zareclamy to show you how to use this supplementary trick. For an extra 12% of the commission, just send a friend to this website. By simply copying and sharing your referral links with others, you can generate an additional bonus revenue stream. As promised, I'll take you to a bonus website where you can make an extra $50 every day. Visit Coinbase.com to learn more. I want you to click the Earn Crypto button at the top of their homepage after you've arrived there. By doing this, you'll be taken to a page where you may learn about cryptocurrencies and earn free money. They will pay you more every time you watch a video or complete one of their free courses. To start the course, simply click this button, which will take you to this website. And I'd like you to give a quick example utilizing the BAN protocol. There are several free courses available that teach you about cryptocurrency and pay you to view the videos. $1 can be paid for each minute of video. You can continue doing this while also viewing the courses and videos on our website. This method also allows you to earn an additional $40 by referring friends. After finishing this category, simply come back, view more courses, and repeat the process to keep being paid. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.